Introducing the Femometer Vinca 2.0 digital thermometer, the latest innovation in temperature measurement technology. With a measurement range of 32 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, the Vinca 2.0 provides accurate readings for a variety of temperature needs. Experience unparalleled accuracy with the Vinca 2.0 digital thermometer, which boasts an impressive accuracy of ±0.05 dig/C ±0.09 dig/F. Whether you prefer oral or rectal measurements, the Vinca 2.0 has got you covered with its versatile measurement method. With a quick measurement time of just 60 seconds, the Vinca 2.0 provides fast and efficient temperature readings. Connect the Vinca 2.0 digital thermometer to your device for seamless temperature monitoring. Rest assured that the Vinca 2.0 meets FDA and CE standards for quality and safety. Take the Vinca 2.0 digital thermometer with you wherever you go, as it is waterproof and built to last. Easily read and interpret your temperature readings with the Vinca 2.0's LED light display. Order your Vinca 2.0 digital thermometer today and experience accurate, reliable temperature readings whenever you need them. There are the pros and cons of using basal body thermometer. Pros number 1. Basal body thermometers provide precise and reliable data to track your menstrual cycle and predict your fertile window. Number 2. Compared to other fertility tracking methods, basal body thermometers are an affordable and sustainable option. Number 3. Using a basal body thermometer is a simple and natural way to monitor your fertility without any discomfort or side effects. Number 4. Regular monitoring of your basal body temperature can help you detect potential reproductive health issues early on. Cons. Number 1. Consistent daily temperature readings and record keeping can be time-consuming. Number 2. Basal body thermometers can confirm ovulation, but cannot predict it. Number 3. External factors, such as illness or stress, can influence basal body temperature readings, so it is important to understand how they can affect your data. Number 4. It may take some time and effort to learn how to use a basal body thermometer effectively and interpret your data. For more information, you can please visit our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching.